Imagine that you and your friends got together and put your money together, kind of crowdfunded this venture to try to get more successful at investing in the stock market. And so what you do is you put together the money and you gain access to all the data that's available over the internet on all the stocks that are available in the United States, about 6,500 of them. And you put it together, and then you created a prompt, a 4-page prompt that basically described what a growth company is. Let's say you used, in fact, Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and NVDA as your template as to how they developed through their development years. Let's call it that they were born, and then how they went through their adolescence, and then they made it to their maturity, and they became the stocks they are today. So let's say, again, you put this together, you teach this AI agent what the stocks look like, and then you set her, Samantha, out to find you the stocks that are going to emulate the growth of Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta as we move through this AI revolution, similar to as we move through the internet revolution. What if you could do that? What if you could then set up a Discord where you and your friends could get together and talk on a daily basis and share ideas that then one person could direct Samantha, your AI agent, to go find these stocks and give you accurate predictions as to what the price of the stock was going to be next year, the following year, and the following year. And you set an objective out to say what we're trying to do, and you tell this to your agent. We want to double our portfolio every 3 years so that we can collectively and individually create family wealth. That's what is available today. That's what AI will make available to you. Because again, understand what AI is. It is the work of Sam Altman and these other people in the large language platforms that have accessed all the knowledge in the world about everything. And there is nothing that has to share all the knowledge it has about itself any bigger than the stock market. I mean, if a CEO sells 10 shares of his stock, he has to report it to the SEC, and it goes into the books, which are then accessible through the internet. And so you know everything about a stock. You know who owns every share, and are they buying or are they selling? You have access to their income statements, their balance sheets, their cash flow statements. You have access to any conferences that they attend and speak at. You have access to their quarterly earnings reports. And you don't have to digest it, and your friends don't have to digest it. You let your AI agent do it, and you set the parameters under which he or she, your AI agent, does it. And now what you have duplicated is what Wall Street does. What they pay people $150,000 a year plus double your salary if you're good at it in a bonus, and they call themselves Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley and all these hedge funds. That's what they do. But they have human beings doing it who are limited to their level of knowledge to what they have inside their skull. That is not a limit of an AI agent. Oh, has biases, but over time, you learn to sort out those biases, what some people call hallucinations, to let them know this is your job, this is what you do, and this is what we're depending on you, and they give you accurate information. I'd like to teach you more about this. This is a program I've been working on for the last year, and I think I can change people's lives. I was a financial advisor, and we didn't have access to this information. We certainly didn't have AI agents. But again, if it's something you'd like to learn more about, go into the description and click on the link that says to learn more, and I'll take you to my webpage. I'll show you the track record that we've had using Samantha and our other AI agents, and you see if maybe you want to go down this path to help you create family wealth. It can be done. Takes some work, takes an initial investment, as any successful project was, but then you crowdfund it, okay? And that makes it possible. So let's learn together, let's grow together. Hell, why don't we just get rich together?